Hello. I'm going to demonstrate for you how to use a microphone when you're doing karaoke. It's kind of important as microphones do affect how you sound when you're singing your song. So for instance, if you want to sing very softly, you can hold it close, but you want to make sure you maintain a good distance away so that when the microphone is turned up, then you are able to hear it through the speakers. But if you're really loud and you're screaming into the mic this close, you can potentially cause feedback. We don't want that. So when you get louder, you might want to pull it back, about here. If you see a lot of American Idol singers or even professional singers, when they get loud, like Christina Aguilera, she'll hit those high notes. She's gonna want to hold that back, and she's usually holding it back pretty good, like a good distance away, because her voice is going to carry, even though she's a tiny person. So you also see that most microphones, if they're not wireless, they're connected to a cord. These are very sensitive. Swinging a mic by the cord, not a good idea. Banging the microphone on concrete, not a good idea. These are things you need to understand when you're performing. So when you're quieter, hold it close. When you're louder, you hold it back. Because you want those, especially high notes, those belting notes, not to cause people in your audience pain. Yeah, so this is a very sensitive area here too, so grabbing the mic down here, probably not a good idea if you want to continue having decent sound coming from here to the speakers. And they'll be connected somewhere, so you might want to make sure you're not yanking the cord. Chances are whoever's hosting or helping you set up, that they'll have it set for you. Trust them. Most karaoke hosts and most other people who are doing live music know what they're doing with their equipment. If you don't know, ask. It's always important to know how to talk to people. Show them respect. Show the equipment some respect. Be kind to others when you're doing karaoke. Not everyone wants to hear you do Janis Joplin with the microphone deep down your throat. It doesn't sound pretty. It doesn't come out pretty. All right. Hopefully you guys understand the basics here. Treat a microphone with respect, and hopefully you'll have some practice here pretty soon. I know I believe in you, and you can definitely believe in anything, and you can do anything.